Welcome back. Continuing the news, Montego Bay Pride, organizers of the Lesbian, Gay, Bisexual and Transgender LGBT Public Forum on Same-Sex Marriage, is now in search of a new venue. Mayor of Montego Bay, Homer Davis, denied them use of the Cultural Center on the basis that he's protecting the sacredness and purpose of the building. We have more in this report. The flyers had been printed and everything seemed set for the October 16 Montego Bay Pride Public Forum. The topic is Jamaica ready for same-sex marriage. But after being denied use of the Montego Bay Cultural Center in Sam Sharpe Square, organizers are now scrambling to find a new venue. Founder and Director of Development for Montego Bay Pride, Maurice Tomlinson, told TVJ News, quote, "We are concerned that the mayor's unfortunate statements have unnecessarily increased the security risks for this public forum, so in the interest of safety, we are considering our options." Unquote. Montego Bay Pride, he added, is also reviewing its legal options. In a statement yesterday, the St. James Ministers Fraternal threw its support behind the mayor. It read, quote, "We stand resolute and undeterred that the sanctity of the structure must be maintained." Unquote. In making reference to the forum's topic, the ministers noted, quote, "Marriage and the family, once maintained in their traditional forms, provide the foundation and material needed for the development of healthy and productive societies." Unquote. Now, another event scheduled for the Cultural Center is a film festival. However, featured on the flyer is the crest of prominent high school Cornwall College. TVJ News has since learned that the lawyer for the school's board has written to the Montego Bay Pride organizers asking that they desist from associating Cornwall College with the activities. Stephen Jennings is the president of the Old Boys Association.
We have noticed that the flyer has the exact same week date schedule as our homecoming celebrations for 2019. And we would like to inform the public that we are in no way affiliated to this group. None of our members is a member of this group, nor is the organizer of that Pride March a member of the Cornwall College Old Boys Association.
Montego Bay Pride is in its 5th year.